Hello, fifth graders, and thank you for watching this video. All right, you're in your science course and you have clicked on immune system and you have clicked on the activity 3 infection fighters PLTW. This is where you will be working today. We know that germs are everywhere. From our Heads Up 7-Up activity, we also know that germs are passed from person to person. But we're not sick every day, all of the time. And so your work today, we're going to find out what are the infection fighters that we have in our body. Why is it that we're not sick all of the time? And then what do we have in our body that helps us when we do get sick? Okay, so when you work today, you'll see that the information that is printed in red tells you what to do. And fifth graders, as we're going throughout today, read. Please read. The important work for you today is to be reading. So you can see that you're going to read the introduction. And then it says here to use the information from the slides to complete the notes page. Your teacher should have already given you the notes page. You have a paper copy and you're going to use your pencil. So you're going to click here where it says Body's Defenses Against Infection. When you click on that, it opens this slideshow. And you use the arrows. In this presentation, you will explore all of the ways the body protects itself from illness. You can use the back and continue buttons to navigate through this presentation. I want you to go through the entire presentation first before you start writing. On this slide, it talks to you and it does say, it doesn't talk, I'm sorry, you're gonna read it. It says, as you work through this presentation, don't forget that you are responsible for showcasing the information learned in this presentation on your body outline. This is the body outline. You don't have the body outline yet. Today you are going to take notes and you're going to do your learning, and then you're going to use your work from today to work on your body outline. So please don't ask your teacher for the body outline because that comes tomorrow. So this is where you will start. You'll start reading about the immune system. Here's the electronic copy of your notes page. You'll notice this column says body structure. This column says describe how the body structure works to keep your body safe. I want everybody to do the immune system. So you're going to use your information from this slide to describe the immune system. I did one of the slides tells you about skin. And so I wanted you to see what it would look like. So I did skin for you. So the body structure is skin. And then on the slide, on this slide, I took what was most important and I explained how the skin helps keep us from getting sick. So you can see I wrote, the skin acts as a barrier against invading germs. Sweat glands produce sweat and wash away germs on the skin's surface. Okay? So that way you have an example on your notes page. You are going to do you're going to read the entire slide presentation. When you are finished reading the slide presentation, then you can go back and you're going to choose 5 other body structures. So you get to pick, and then you are going to use the information. So for example, the next body structure is mucus. Good times, huh? So you're going to use what's written here, determine what's most important to be able to write about mucus. Maybe you don't want to write about mucus, so you read the next slide. It's up to you which body structures you choose. You'll just make sure that you do 5 of them. There's work on the back of your page as well. Okay? Once you have read all the information on all of the slides, you'll see, and then you've taken your notes. It says give the completed notes page to your teacher, and then it says watch the video Bill Nye Blood and Circulation, and then you can find the video right here. Okay? Please don't make up the information. Read the information on the slides, determine what's important, and use that to complete your notes page. All right, you've got this. I want you to do some learning and be able to tell me what in our bodies is helping us fight infections. Thanks for your hard work. I can't wait to see what you give me.